Hey all my crafty friends, who's ready to start some Christmas crafting? I know I am. I will be trying my best to put out at least 4 videos per week until Christmas, and I think you will love what I have in mind. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos, and if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! Today I have a super simple Christmas project. This hand towel and beaded towel holder are perfect for any kitchen Christmas decor and is so simple to make. It would also make the perfect Secret Santa gift for a co-worker or a gift for a friend. I used a gray and white hand towel from Dollar Tree, red beads from my broken garland, pieces from one of Dollar Tree's Christmas ornaments, and my Cricut. I didn't have any brown iron-on material, so I decided to just use vinyl for this video. I would suggest using iron-on material so the towel can be washed. The first thing is to string your beads onto some twine until it looks like the size you want. I used a total of 19 beads on mine. After all the beads were strung together, I used a skewer and added E6000 to the middle of the last bead on each side of the circle. I wanted to make sure it was nice and secure. I had this leather snap-on bracelet that I thought would work perfect. It had some little purple beads, so I just cut them off. I placed the leather bracelet in the middle where my twine crossed and applied E6000. Then I cut off the excess twine on both sides of the bracelet. I thought it needed a little something else, so I went through my stash and found a Dollar Tree ornament I have another idea for. So I removed the Christmas greenery from it and used it here. It took me several attempts to figure out how to arrange it, but once I did, I simply used the floral wire and wrapped everything around the little extra bit of twine on each side of the leather bracelet. This could be used as an ornament on a tree or a wreath, but I wanted something for a Christmas towel from my kitchen. Next, I needed to make the towel to hang on the beaded hanger. I used this gray hand towel from Dollar Tree and found a cute little kitchen Christmas design. I didn't have any brown iron-on vinyl for the gingerbread man, so I just used regular vinyl for the video. I suggest using iron-on vinyl so the towel can be washed. While I was getting the vinyl onto the towel, I realized I was missing a letter. Oh look, there it is on my finger. I just simply pulled it off and put it back on the transfer paper. I then rubbed the vinyl onto the towel. For the next step, I ran an iron over the vinyl a few times to help the vinyl stick to the towel. And this is the completed project. I may even try creating this again on one of the white tea towels that I have. I hope you enjoyed this project and come up with some ideas of your own. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you want to be notified when I upload new videos, hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.